If you've recently moved into a new space and need to equip it with the most essential power tools, or you want to update the beat-up equipment you already own, in either case, all of the most popular mass-market power tool manufacturers sell multi-piece kits, enabling you to grab everything you need in one purchase. There are many products available to choose best power tool set, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch CLPK 22-120 Power Tools Combo Kit. If you're looking for a much smaller toolset, the Bosch Power Tools Combo Kit may be a suitable option. It only comes with 2 tools, a drill and an impact driver. If you're doing severe DU work, you'll probably need more tools than this. However, this can be a good set for a complete beginner or new homeowner. The lightweight design makes it suitable for beginners and masters alike. These electric tools will not fatigue you very quickly. They are both lightweight and high for tight spaces, making them suitable for nearly any project. We also noticed that they were straightforward to control, and the mounted LED lights allowed you to see into tight, dark spaces with ease. The only reason this set scored so low was that it only contains 2 tools. It is not a complete set by any means. Number 2. DEWALT Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. The Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit by DEWALT includes 9 different tools, including an impact driver and reciprocating saw, making it the best battery power tool set we have reviewed. If you're looking to do any sort of DU work, these are the tools that you'll need in the very least. Any homeowner who likes to do work themselves should have all of them handy, making this a great set to start with. This set even comes with a branded Bluetooth speaker that is made for the job site. Furthermore, these tools work with most of the DEWALT brand rechargeable batteries. This means they can all share batteries, significantly reducing the number of batteries you'll need to keep up with and charge. This is one of the best battery-powered tools out there. You can also choose the best size battery for your situation, allowing each tool to be more versatile. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN Cordless Drill Combo Kit. Including a cordless drill, impact driver, circular saw, and a LED light, the CRAFTSMAN Cordless Drill Combo Kit technically comes with 4 tools, batteries, and a charger. However, the light doesn't count as a tool. However, this set is very cheap, so you're getting what you pay for. The tools are of decent quality, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. Firstly, it runs out of charge very quickly. The batteries included are not the best. It isn't necessarily bad for the price, but you could spend just a bit more and get out. Number 2. Pick a far better option for those trying to save money. This battery tool set also does not include a tool bag, so you'll have to deal with the storage issue on your own. There are many decent tool bags on the market, but that only drives up the price you're paying for your tools. Number 4. Ryobi P883 1 Plus Cordless Tool Set. The Ryobi cordless tool set includes 8 tools for a much lower price than the DEWALT set we previously reviewed. In fact, it is much cheaper than the vast majority of the other toolsets we reviewed. Despite the low price, though, the tools are quite high quality and suitable for most homeowners and handymen. This is the best cordless power toolset for the money. We highly recommend it if you're on a budget or just trying not to spend hundreds of dollars on a decent toolset. All the tools included are compatible with the batteries, so you don't have to worry about fiddling with multiple battery types. The storage bag is also quite good. Everything fits snugly within it, keeping your tools safe as you travel or just store them between projects. This makes it one of the best cordless tool set available. The contractor bag even comes with a wide mouth, making it much easier to get your tools out. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Cordless Combo Tool Kit. The Milwaukee M18 Cordless Compact Combo Tool Kit only comes with 4 tools, one of which is a flashlight. Of course, a charger is included as well. However, it is a bit more expensive than our number 2 pick, which comes with many more tools. In general, we don't recommend purchasing this set unless you're in love with one of the particular tools that come in it. Otherwise, you'll get the most for your money by purchasing a different set. Speaking of the tools included, this set does come with some pretty good ones. They're made by Milwaukee, which is a high-quality brand. These tools are well made. However, the price doesn't necessarily match up with increased quality. This set comes with 2 batteries, which should be plenty for the number of tools included. The batteries are compatible with all of the tools, allowing you to swap batteries as necessary.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.